Clean your lungs, ease coughs, clear phlegm, and boost immunity with this amazing recipe. This powerful home remedy was passed down to me by my grandmother, who never fell ill. She shared the recipe with me, and now I want to pass it on to you. Since using this remedy, I've stayed healthy without doctors, and my lungs are as clear as a baby's. I'm sure this powerful cure will improve your health, so stick around. You'll thank me for life. To start this natural remedy, we'll slice a lemon. Lemon boosts your immune system and naturally stimulates your body's defenses. It detoxifies your body, making it crucial for this recipe and great for your overall health. I had lemons at home, but didn't know how beneficial they were. After slicing the lemon, set it aside. For our second ingredient, we need 3 peeled garlic cloves, chopped into small pieces. Garlic boosts blood circulation and acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. Friends, today's recipe shout-out goes to Clara Cavalcante from Sao Paulo and Livia Araujo from Paso Fundo, Rio Grande do Sul. Remember, it's crucial to tell us your city so we can give you a special shout-out in our next video. For our final ingredient, we'll slice a red onion. Red onion is better than white, packed with nutrients and great for respiratory health. If you've watched this far, please rate the video from 1 to 10, with 10 being excellent and 1 being poor. Once everything's ready, we'll put all our powerful ingredients in a pot and add 500 milliliters of filtered water. We'll let it boil for 10 minutes on high heat to extract the vitamins from our ingredients. Friends, while it's boiling, please write onion in the comments for a special shout-out in our next video. Today's special shout-out goes to Adalberto Mesa and Pablo Marcal, who wrote apple in our last video. Thank you so much for always watching and sharing our videos. Blessings! This powerful infusion boosts immunity and is great for respiratory infections. If you drink this infusion regularly, your lungs will stay healthy. After 10 minutes, remove from heat and strain. Our powerful lemon, garlic, ginger, and onion infusion is now ready to drink. It's super simple. Drink it without sugar, as it's just 1 glass. A crucial point to remember is to take it once a week. If you have lung issues, breathing problems, a cold or flu, make this tea at home. I'm confident you'll see improvement. My mom often got colds, but this tea helped her amazingly. She's so grateful. Folks, try this at home. You won't be disappointed. Our tips here are meant to complement your health routine. Always remember to consult your doctor. We hope you'll try this recipe. It works wonders, with amazing results. Share this video with friends who might need it. See you next time, and God bless you all.